Good morning, sir. May I introduce myself to you? My name is Juwaria. I come from Indramayu, Java of Indonesia. I was born in Indramayu on 18th of May 1999. I am 25 years old and I am single. I am number 8 in my family. I have 5 sisters and 3 brothers. My height is 146 cm. My weight is 47 kg. My education is junior high school. My religion is Muslim. I have working experience in Jakarta for 2 years since 2020 until 2022. I do take care of 1 children. She is 5 years old. I do washing, ironing, cooking, sweep the floor, mop the floor, marketing, gardening, and do general housekeeping. I can take care of baby or children. I can take care of all elderly person. I can cook Indonesia food as vegetable soup, sayur lodeh, french fries, fried chicken, fried noodle, balado egg rendang, and satay. I am willing to learn Chinese cooking. I am willing to handle cut and cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I am not afraid of dog. I promised to finish my contract for 2 years. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for my future and my family. Introduce finish. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I hope to see you in Singapore. Bye-bye.